What's up guys, Prayag here from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and today I'll be unboxing the Portronics Ruffpad 8.5. Let's get started. So this is something that caught my attention straight away on Amazon. It retails for just around 400 rupees, and according to Portronics it is recyclable and it does not use radiative technology in the screen, and that is actually great for writing at night and stuff. It also has magnets on the back. As you can see, non-radiative, 2 years battery life, and one button to erase the screen, and also a 1-year warranty. That's great. Let's move into the box. Okay. Okay, so let's take it out. So this is it, guys. This is all you get in the box. So it comes out like this. So to actually use, you will have to remove this film, and now I think we can get started. Okay, so now the eraser button works. Okay, so that's how the stylus comes out, and I think it's ready to use already. Like Prayag, that's my name. Subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. To be honest, I really like the design of the stylus. It looks amazing. So this actually uses the pressure to write, and the surface is actually pressure sensitive. So you can see if I do this, there is a very thin line which might not even be visible to you guys, but when I apply force, it's way darker, and that is lighter. First impressions are actually really good, and I think I'm gonna use it a lot. I really like the quality. I mean, it's so slim. I really like how slim it is. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Like the video if you liked it, and as always, stay tuned for more.